7 billion years ago, somewhere deep in the universe, two invisible objects were falling toward each other. They weren't stars, they weren't planets, they weren't anything that could be seen with a telescope. They were black holes. Each one was more than 100 times the mass of our sun. For millions of years, they spiraled together, slowly losing energy as they twisted the fabric of space itself. Then, in less than a second, they collided. The merger released an unimaginable burst of energy. For a brief moment, the power of that single event exceeded the combined light of every star in the observable universe. And yet no light from that collision ever reached us. Instead, something else did. A ripple in space. A gravitational wave that traveled for 7 billion years across the universe until it finally reached Earth. And when it arrived, it passed through everything, the planet, the atmosphere, and even your body, without you ever noticing. But our instruments noticed, and what they discovered created one of the strangest mysteries in modern astrophysics, because the black holes that caused that signal should not exist. To understand why, we first need to understand how black holes are normally created. Every star in the universe exists because of a delicate balance. Gravity constantly pulls the star inward, trying to collapse it under its own weight. At the same time, nuclear fusion in the star's core pushes outward with enormous energy. Hydrogen atoms fuse into helium, releasing light and heat that keep the star stable. For millions or even billions of years, these two forces remain perfectly balanced. But eventually, the fuel runs out. When fusion slows down, gravity begins to win. The star collapses inward, its core becomes unimaginably dense, and the outer layers explode outward in a violent supernova. After the explosion, something incredible is left behind. If the original star was moderately massive, the collapsed core becomes a neutron star, an object so dense that a teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. But if the star was even more massive, gravity overwhelms everything. The core collapses beyond the limits of physics itself. Space and time fold inward, creating an object from which nothing can escape, a black hole. For decades, scientists believed they understood this process very well. Computer models of stellar evolution predicted exactly what kinds of black holes should exist and how massive they could become. But those same models also predicted something strange, a forbidden range. According to astrophysics, black holes between about 60 and 130 times the mass of the Sun should not exist at all. This mysterious region is called the upper mass gap, and the reason it exists is one of the most violent processes in stellar physics. When extremely massive stars reach the end of their lives, their cores become so hot that something unusual happens. High-energy gamma radiation inside the star begins to transform directly into particles, pairs of electrons and positrons appearing out of pure energy. This might sound harmless, but inside a star it creates a disaster. Those particles remove the radiation pressure that normally supports the star against gravity. Suddenly, the star loses the force holding it up. Gravity surges inward. The core collapses violently, triggering a catastrophic explosion known as a pair instability supernova. But unlike a normal supernova, this explosion does something remarkable. It completely destroys the star. Nothing remains. No neutron star, no black hole, just expanding gas spreading through space. This means that stars massive enough to create large black holes actually destroy themselves before a black hole can form. For smaller stars, another process strips away much of their mass before they collapse, leaving behind black holes that are far smaller. The result is a gap, a region of black hole masses that nature simply cannot produce through normal stellar evolution. For years, observations seemed to confirm this theory. Astronomers detected dozens, then hundreds of black hole mergers, and every single one followed the rule, until one signal arrived that broke it completely. The signal was detected by the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, better known as LIGO. LIGO is one of the most sensitive scientific instruments ever built. It works by firing lasers down 2 tunnels, each 4 kilometers long, and measuring tiny changes in their length. When a gravitational wave passes through Earth, it stretches space in one direction and compresses it in another. The effect is unbelievably small. The change in length is smaller than 1,000th the width of a proton. Yet somehow, LIGO can detect it. On November 23, 2023, both LIGO detectors recorded the same signal, a short burst lasting less than 1/10 of a second. At first, it looked like many previous detections, the final moments of 2 black holes merging somewhere far away in the universe. But when scientists analyzed the waveform more closely, something unexpected appeared. The masses of the 2 black holes were enormous. One was about 103 times the mass of the Sun. The other was about 137 times the mass of the Sun. Both of them were sitting directly inside the forbidden mass gap. According to the laws of stellar physics, neither one of them should exist. Yet they clearly did. When the 2 objects merged, they formed a new black hole between roughly 180 and 250 solar masses, making it one of the most massive black hole mergers ever detected through gravitational waves. Even stranger, the 2 black holes were spinning extremely fast, close to the maximum speed allowed by the laws of physics. One possible explanation for large black holes is something called hierarchical merging. In this scenario, smaller black holes collide repeatedly over time, gradually building larger and larger ones. But there is a problem. Every time 2 black holes merge, their spins combine in random directions. After several generations of mergers, the final black hole should spin slowly. But these black holes were spinning incredibly fast. That suggested they did not grow through repeated mergers. So if they didn't form from normal stars and they didn't grow from smaller black holes, where did they come from? In 2025, astrophysicists began to propose a surprising answer. The key may lie in something that earlier models largely ignored: magnetic fields. Massive stars are not just balls of hot gas. Inside them are powerful magnetic fields twisting and turning through the stellar material. When a rapidly rotating star collapses into a black hole, the collapsing gas can form a spinning disk around the newborn black hole. This disk is threaded with magnetic field lines. As the material spirals inward, those magnetic fields twist tighter and tighter, building enormous pressure. Eventually, that pressure releases. Powerful jets of matter shoot outward from the poles of the black hole at nearly the speed of light. These jets blast large amounts of material away from the collapsing star before it can fall into the black hole. In other words, the black hole loses mass during its birth. But something else happens at the same time. The remaining material falling inward transfers its rotational energy into the black hole, causing it to spin extremely fast. The result is an unusual object, a black hole that is lighter than expected, but spinning much faster. Exactly the kind of object detected by LIGO. Computer simulations show that this magnetic collapse process can produce black holes right inside the forbidden mass gap. Objects around 100 solar masses, spinning near the maximum allowed by physics, almost exactly matching the strange black holes that created the signal detected in 2023. Some scientists believe these mysterious objects could be primordial black holes that formed not from stars, but from tiny density fluctuations in the first moments after the Big Bang. If that idea turns out to be correct, it would mean some black holes in the universe are older than the first stars themselves. For now, the mystery remains unsolved. But one thing is certain: we are living in a new era of astronomy. Instead of studying the universe only through light, we are now listening to the vibrations of space-time itself. Every gravitational wave carries information about violent cosmic events happening billions of light-years away, and each detection reveals objects we never knew existed. In the future, even more powerful detectors will begin operating. We'll be able to detect gravitational waves from much farther away, and that the places we once believed were empty may actually be filled with the most fascinating objects of all, black holes that were never supposed to exist. And we are only just beginning to find them.